In this example, you will see how to make a dimmer chase with a row of par cans. Our par cans are patched as dimmer device 1. We press the dimmer button and select device number 1. The fader display lists the channels of dimmer device 1. In order to apply an effect, we need to activate these channels. You'll notice that values pop up in the display once a channel is activated. We have 8 par cans, so we scroll to page 2 to activate the last 2 par cans. To apply the effect, switch to the Advanced menu by pressing the double arrow button and then press the Effect soft key. We need to select those recently activated channels that we want to include in the effect. We select all 8. The next step is to assign an effect generator. In this example, we use number 10. The fader display lists the effect parameters. Let's give it some speed and full swing. This is rather a dull effect. If we look at the effect's properties, we'll see that the effect generator produces a sine wave. This is not ideal for the dimmer chase, so we press one of the soft keys that reads sine. From the list of available shapes that are provided with the effect generator, we scroll down and choose the short square wave. This will make a burst of light. But they are still behaving identically. To make them chase, we set the channel delay value to 25. By holding down the button below the fader and jogging the scroll wheel, we fine-tune the value. To recall this effect at a later time, you can store it as an effect macro in the Xciter's memory and simply recall it with a few button presses. To store it, we simply hold down the Shift key and at the same time the Store key. Xciter asks us for a name. Let's call it Dimmer Chase 1. And finally, we press Enter to store it under this name. To demonstrate the effect macro, we exit the programmer and lose, apparently, our work on the dimmer chase. All devices go back to default. Let's re-enter the programmer. We press dimmer and select dimmer device number 1. Remember that last time we needed to activate the channels. But you don't need to do that now because everything is stored in the effect macro. You simply go to the Advanced menu and select Effect Macros. From the list of macros, we choose our Dimmer Chase 1 macro and immediately the effect starts running.